What type of medical equipment do you see in this room?
Anesthesia machine. This is located on the right side of the room, next to the patient monitor. It is a device that delivers a mixture of oxygen, gas, and anesthetic agents to the patient through a breathing circuit. It monitors the patient's vital signs.
What else do you see in this room in terms of equipment?
Patient monitor. This is located on the right side of the room, next to the anesthesia machine. It is a device that displays various parameters of the patient's physiology, such as electrocardiogram, pulse oximetry, blood pressure, temperature, and respiratory rate. It alerts the surgical team of any changes or abnormalities that may indicate a problem or complication.
How about surgical instruments? Do you see any?
Surgical instruments. These are located on a table next to the patient on the left side of the room. They are tools that are used by the surgeon to perform the surgery. They include scalpels, scissors, forceps, clamps, retractors, sutures, needles, and cautery devices.
What are the key aspects that a nurse needs to learn?
Some of the key aspects that a nurse needs to learn as a part of a basic course related to the operation are: operating room safety, wearing appropriate personal protective equipment, handling sharps and hazardous materials properly, preventing fires and electrical hazards, and reporting any incidents or errors aseptic techniques.
Give me some examples of possible procedures that you can perform with the equipment in this room.
This operation room is capable of doing various types of surgical procedures. Some of the possible procedures are cataract surgery. This is a procedure to remove the cloudy lens of the eye and replace it with an artificial one. Appendectomy. This is a procedure to remove the appendix, a small tube that intestine, if it is infected or inflamed. The anesthesia machine, the patient monitor, and the surgical table are needed for this procedure. Cholecystectomy. This is a procedure to remove the gallbladder, a pear-shaped sac that holds bile if it is prone to gallstones, infection, or cancer. The anesthesia machine, the patient monitor, and the surgical table are also required for this procedure.